Welcome guys. Today we're doing this thing. We're eating this giant sugar and this with his friends. We're gonna eat this one. This literally costs like 67 money. 67.
I got money.
Yeah.
Oh.
It cost 67. Yeah. 67. Yeah. I only get this. Yeah. Ketchup and mustard. Hey, ketchup and cheese. Yeah. I'm gonna leave you some cheese, bro. No. No. I'll eat first. Let me try this. No. No. Wait. Let me taste it now. Hey. It's so gummy. How about you, Sappy? Yeah, eat. How about you, turn? Try. How would you rate it? Oh, infinite. I love this. These cost like 67. I only take one part, and these two take 2 parts. Yeah. This came from 7-Eleven. I only have 1 part from the burger. They have 2 parts in the burger. My teeth almost fell out. What the hell is this? I wish this gets popular now. Yeah. He wants to pretend. Let's eat this. Oh, yeah. And by the way, Sappy bought these things. We're in Philippines. I already opened it, which was a problem. Doesn't it look like we flew off South America? My mom is here.
Apa po si Sapi?
Pin.
Ay, ako kapila.
Then man.
Fakira. Sige na.
Please. Markitan ka on accident. Oh, this Sappy. Sappy. That's some.
Siyan Remato. Dali na ka kuya. Tawagin niya siya. Pakuha ka.
Malingaw pud ko sa akong kuya. Yeah, Jack. That's good. Yeah. So that's it, guys. Yeah. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay. Bye-bye. Can this video get to 9,000 subscribers? No, don't force. If you like and subscribe, I don't want you to like and subscribe. I want you to enjoy before you like and subscribe. Say bye. Bye guys. If you enjoy this video, like and subscribe. No, I'm not forcing you. I only force you when you enjoy it. Yeah. Bye bye. Bye. Send me a picture.